What's up, y'all? So I just got out the shower, and y'all know what I'm coming on here for, cause y'all might have seen it on my Instagram, right? Your girl got the EcoGOLD, and this one has olive oil, shea butter, black castor oil, and flax seeds in it, y'all. The holy grail of holy grails. My Instagram is actually going crazy right now. About to drink some and eat some. So from Kim's video, she was like, this gel is way moisturizing, right? So sorry, I'm kind of parched. I need some leave-in. So I'm gonna be using the Sacred Tiare leave-in conditioner by Carol's Daughter. And this one is a spray-on conditioner, and it's for anti-breakage and anti-frizz. And it has coconut oil, calendula, and provitamin B5. I've used this maybe once in the past. I wanted to get the whole line. I have the shampoo, which is sulfate free, and also this 4-in-1 combing cream. And I'm gonna try it out. So I'm gonna apply these two products, right? I'm gonna apply these two, and then we're gonna get on with the first impressions of this EcoStyler gel. I'll call this the pot of gold, y'all. This is a pot of freaking gold, and it smells so good. Look at that. That's like not even exaggerating the color. That's the real color, and it has these sparkles in it, just like the black castor oil and flaxseed gel did. So we gonna do this. So I'll be right back with y'all, and then we gonna get started with applying the gel. And this is a part of the wash and try series also, because you know I was doing EcoStyler gel and they came through with the clutch. So let's get it. All right, y'all, so I have applied both the leave-in and the 4-in-1, and my hair feels pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and section the back piece off so we can see what we're working with this EcoGOLD gel. So this gel is very much like the black castor oil and flaxseed gel, I think. It smells really good. Oh, but the black flaxseed, ooh, this just coats your strands. Oh, I love this thing. Okay, so this is definitely different from the black castor oil and flaxseed gel. So the black castor oil and flaxseed gel, EcoStyler, isn't as thick when going on, but it's more like watery, so you can spread it throughout your whole section if you use the same amount that I used. This though, okay, my curls are really defined right now. So this gel is more, it's just so moisturizing. I don't even have words for it. I'm actually surprised right now. And it feels like it absorbs right into your hair strand, so you're not dealing with the extraness, because it just absorbs and it feels good. Your hair feels so moisturized after applying it. Okay, I'm gonna go into the next little piece. I think I love this. It smells so good. Okay, I'm feeling it. So as some of y'all don't like the flaxseed one because I've heard it flakes from some people. Honestly, I think you just need to apply a moisturizing product underneath or apply an oil or something like that. I haven't gotten the flakes. That's with any gel though, so you guys have to remember to layer your products on. Along with I don't know, I'm just trying to figure out some of the things that I heard some people saying about the other gels, but this one, Shawty. I'm liking this one. I just want to keep rubbing it through my hair. Whoa. Y'all see that? Yeah. I'm feeling it. This is gonna be my new favorite. I feel it already. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take some more hair out. Ooh, it smells kind of like a Nerds. Like, it smells like Nerds. That's exactly what it smells like. I love the smell of Nerds. Ooh, I got Nerds here. Yo, I don't know what to tell y'all, but this is, when this comes out, you hear my son? It smell good. He smell it. When this comes out, y'all better go get y'all some because I don't know how you gonna, I think they outdid themselves with this one. I don't know how they gonna make another product over this one. Yeah, I'll pay $10 for this. Any day.
Does it smell good?
Uh-huh, you smell it? You like it?
Yes.
Me too.
You smell it. Where you get that from?
I got it from Ari.
I need to say hi to her.
You need to say hi.
You didn't let me go.
No, I didn't let you go. So I'm glad that I didn't apply like a very moisturizing leave-in or anything, because just like Kim said, like, Kimberly, you were right. You were right. It's very, very moisturizing. So if like you had anything too moisturizing, it would probably overpower your hair, and then you'll have those sloppy curls that you don't want. That's not gonna have any body to them. I ain't trying to have that. I still don't know what hairstyle I'm doing. Look at God. Alright. So, y'all, I'm really feeling this. Look at that. And my hair is really soft. It's very different from when I usually apply EcoStyler gel. When I tell you like soft to the touch, as if I applied a cream styler and not a gel. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my hair, and then I'll come back with y'all when I'm almost done with the top part, so you guys can see what the final product looks like while it's drying. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Whoa, game changer. game changer. Whoa. Alright y'all, so I am done applying the gel. It actually took me less time to apply this gel than it did for me to apply any gel I've ever applied, and I think it's because of how easy it went on my hair. The slip was crazy good. The only thing that I say is I don't think the hold is gonna be a 10 because it's a soft hold. I think it'll be more like a 9. But this thing is bomb. It's bomb. Like, it's not gonna slay your edges. Well, I lied. It may slay your edges a little bit. This one has more of a texture of the black castor oil, but it's a little thicker than that slightly. And I don't think the black castor oil, I think that hold is like an 8. It holds your curls, but like, yo, never in my life. My hair is so soft. Y'all see that? So I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'll come back and show you guys what the dry hair looks like. It's probably gonna take a few hours. It's 8 p.m. right now, so I'll probably be back around 10. It's 8:20. 10:30 maybe. 2 hours, maybe a little more. If it's not fully dry, I'll just show y'all, you know, what it looks like when it is semi-dry. It smells like nerds, like watermelon nerds at that. I'm still blown away by how my hair feels. Like, it feels so soft. I've never had my hair feel like this before in my life. From a gel. Just make sure that you do, you know what? Like, this gel's so good, I don't even know what to tell you to make sure you do. Like, it's very moisturizing, so I don't know if you need like something very thick. You don't need anything thick, so you might be good with just a light leave-in that's kind of watered down a little bit, kind of like the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in maybe. Even a spray leave-in like this one that I use will work very, very good. What else? Like this one. But I will see y'all when my hair dries, because Lord Jesus, I'm already in love. It is now 11:52, so I've let it dry for 8, 9, 10, 11, 3.5 hours at this point. And yo, I haven't styled it. All I did was style it towards the back like you guys saw, and I did my makeup in the meantime and filmed that. So if you want to see that video, go ahead and click up there, because you gonna see it. But this gel is my ultimate favorite. My hair is soft. There's no crunch. I don't have a crunch, which I was surprised about. I thought I would have at least a little bit of crunch, but I don't. I have none. My curls dried elongated compared to how they would dry if I were to have another gel. So I did get that factor, which I didn't think I was gonna get. I still have not styled my hair yet, so I will style my hair tomorrow. I'm going to wrap this up tonight. The curls are popping, bro. You see that? Get into these curls though. I really love this gel. It was $10, so it is a $10 product. I don't know if they're gonna be selling it for $10 when it comes out in stores, or if it's gonna be regular price, because usually I think this size is about $5, maybe between $5 and $7 wherever I go and get it from. The $10 bucket is usually, $10 to $15 bucket is usually the handle. So I don't know what they're gonna sell this for. I don't know retail price. I do know that I paid $10 Smells like Nerds, watermelon Nerds candy. While it was drying, I wasn't dealing with all the shrinkage, so like these curls have not shrank that much compared to when they were dry, like compared to other gels. My bad. One thing I did notice too, my hair is soft to the touch. Usually I will have to like break it up with some gel or something. Didn't have to do that, so I don't have to worry about that, and I'm happy. This is gonna be like my little staple now. I'll go between this and of course the flaxseed because I still have a big tub the same size. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go pick it up as soon as it comes out because it's bomb. Like I'm telling you, everything that you ask for in a gel is in this gel. Everything. You won't have to go buy anything else. You get the elongation. Like my hair has not been stretched or anything, and it's still touching my back. Usually it's like up here. If you've seen my other videos, usually it shrinks all the way up my neck, literally. Obviously you're gonna have shrinkage because your hair is dry, but it is not as crazy as any other gels, which I really love. My hair is not completely dry yet. It's just in the roots that's not dry, which is not bad. So I don't have to worry about nothing like too major with shrinkage. Very moisturizing, like I said before. It smells great. Oh my god, it smells so good. And y'all know that the black castor oil and flaxseed gel was my ultimate favorite one. So for me to have to switch up on it, I'm not tripping. It's the same line. You know what I'm saying? And you don't have to worry about the crunch. There's no crunch. Some people may have crunch, I don't know, but I didn't have crunch. And no flaking whatsoever. Like when I say none, it just blended right on in with all the products. And I barely used any products, but I did use the two products that I showed you earlier. So one was a cream, and you know, usually with the creams certain things happen that didn't happen. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review of the new EcoStyle Gold. And Gold, go pick you up some. You feel me? Ask your Valentine to get it for you. Say, you know what, hold off on that Valentine's gift. Go get me that EcoStyle Gold. Find it. Alright y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel. There will be a lot more reviews because I do have a lot of products that I love. And there'll be a lot of products that I'm trying out. And if you want like first impressions like this, let me know with a thumbs up. You feel me? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to remember to comment down below if you have any suggestions on products you want me to try, videos you want me to do, just, you know, anything of that sort, of that nature. I got y'all. Alright y'all, peace.